Hi guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-tier level strawberries keychain with UV resin. To start, you will need to prepare these materials: a strawberry themed silicone mold, Malaysia Clay Art UV resin, some red colorant and pearl powder for metallic effect, gold color keychain, eye pin screw and split rings or accessories of your choice, silicone mixing cups and tools, and a portable UV lamp. To begin with, make sure your silicone mold is dry and clean. Squeeze in some UV resin on the silicone mold as the first layer. We will need to layer our UV resin, otherwise it will be very hard to cure, as the color that we add in kind of block the UV light, resulting in uncured surface at the bottom. Once you are ready, cure the first layer under the UV light. Now let's prepare the second layer. Add UV resin, shake the colorant well, and add a bit of red colorant here. Remember, a little goes a long way. Add in some glitters too to create interesting deck. Then let's cure it again. Now we are going to create the final layer. Repeat the same steps and fill out the strawberries cavity. Next, with green color, we make the stand. UV resin tends to shrink a little after cure, so I add a last layer just so it's 100% fill out strawberries cavities. This strawberries mold comes with kiwi, orange, and banana shapes too. Now here's a tip: never use your finger to check the resin, as it will leave fingerprints on the creation if it's not 100% pure. Use a tool instead. Lightly poke the creation with your small pointy tool. You will know it's well cured when it's solid hard and not sticky to your tool. With a sakura micron pen or a brush pen, paint some black dots on the strawberries to represent the seeds. Then I apply a final coating layer so it gives a glossy finishing, and again, let's cure it. Once done, trim the sides. If you are an A+ student, you can sand it so it's smoother, but I'm happy with just trimming with scissors. Remember to coat the bottom part too so the keychain is glossy front and back. With a needle tool, make a marking on the strawberry. Then start assembling the keychain. Add a bit of UV resin on the eye-pin screw. It works as a strong adhesive so the strawberries won't fall off. And look, here is our strawberry keychain. If you enjoyed this UV resin tutorial, please help me by clicking the thumbs up below and share it out. We have more interesting tutorials coming soon, so do subscribe to our channel. I hope you learned something today and see you next time. Bye bye!